Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix touch screen not working problem in your Motorola smartphone. So let's start the video friends. This is a very simple step. If your screen is not working or touch is not working, you have to firstly open your power menu here. You can see this is the power menu, power of your device. You can see it is shutting down now. You have to press this volume up button and power button at the same time. Keep pressing until the Motorola logo appears, and when it appears you have to, and friends, keep pressing the volume up button so it will open the no command here. So by doing this thing what I am just setting, so it will not you will not lose any of your data in your mobile phone, none of the single thing. So friends, you have to just again long press the power button like this, and one tap on this power button and volume up button, so you can see it will open the recovery mode, Android recovery. So here it will return over here reboot system now. So you can see the screen is not working, so you have don't panic here. If this screen is not working here, you have to just scroll downwards and upwards using this volume button. You can see like this. Here it is written reboot system now. Then press this power button to reboot this device, and then it will fix your touch screen problem. You can see it is restarting the device, and you will not lose any of your data. So friends, as you can see, the phone is now open. You can see the screen is working fine and it is not taking any problem, as you can see. I hope you like this video. Friends, you can see there is no touchscreen problem showing. So friends, if it is does not working in your smartphone, this method is not working, so you have to just open your settings, click on search, right here reset. You have to just format your device. So click on this reset options, and then here it is erase all data. This is a factory reset. By doing this, this will clear all the data from your smartphone, including your everything like your Google account, system, app data, settings, downloaded apps, music, photos, data, even your SD card. So before doing that, you have to just back up your Google account, your things that are important, your SD card, safely remove it, and then erase all data. So this will fix your touch screen problem. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.